So many times people will come to the practice and ask about their silver fillings, whether they should be replaced or not. And a well-wearing silver filling, usually we won't recommend replacement, but sometimes these fillings begin to break. There's no bonding in silver. So we use a bonding process when we take out an old silver filling or a new cavity these days. And we bond the tooth and apply a filling for that that is cosmetic and looks like a tooth and acts like a tooth. The probably last silver filling we put in was in the mid-1980s. So bonding is very much a very important part of our dental practice and all dental practices. So it's a procedure that you should expect when you're having fillings put in now.